Double river.
It's starting to look like a triple river.
Here, guys, we'll put
Alright, what's the plan?
We'll stick the...
Dos
Hold up.
or thrice.
Dos Hank. Dos Hankies. Let's put the wicks together with a Tootsie Roll. They're not simultaneous, then. They're not
they
gonna
will
be
be.
anyway. They won't be. The
Yes, they will.
little pops will probably just tip the house over.
Here, just stick them in there.
We'll twist them together.
I gotta get this on video.
I'm videotaping right now. Like
I'll
from
hold the
the
wicks
very
together.
beginning.
I only have like 40 seconds of video on my phone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can't take very long. Go on
Here,
video.
let's time them so that like the same length. Message. That's gonna be about there. Okay, perfect.
Twist them all together. Homemade bombs.
There, we just synced them.
Will the fuse still go through it?
Yeah.
Okay.
One of them will light the other two.
Should I just like rip these off? So
No, just leave it. That'll be fine.
It already blew out the whole front part of it. Besides one firecracker, so this is gonna blow to smithereens.
Yeah. That's
Pack it in.
Make
Pack
sure
it in.
everybody's home. Dear.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh dear, I see
Shove everything
a deer.
in.
Oh dear, I see a deer.
Oh, it doesn't taste good.
Try to Ready.
Light it.
Eins. Zwei. I'm gonna start it right here so they're all even.
Oh my gosh, I don't even want to be up here.
Oh, sorry.
Oh crap!
Bye-bye, gingerbread.
Dude,
It's still on fire.
there's only the roof left.
Oh my word, that was
epic.
that
We should have stuck in 6 of them.
I don't even know if I got it.
that was stinky.
Where's the bag, dude? Oh,
It was better.
it's a good thing I wasn't sitting there. and
Check out
sparked.
look at it melted through the aluminum foil, guys.
This won't stop.